Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name's Mark and my channel name is Mark Parnell, British Bushcraft and Survival. As you can see in front of you, this is my EDC backpack. It's a 511 Rush 24 and I'm doing a product review for Onetigris, and it's a field first aid medic pouch. And obviously this is the back plate. There you go, and it attaches to any Molly backpack. We have Velcro attachment here, so it can be ripped off the medic pouch, and I've adapted the medic pouch into a anti-COVID-19 EDC pouch. I'll show you the pouch on the camera. As you can see, that's the pouch. Very well made. Go to Onetigris UK. There we go. That's how you spell it. Onetigris. And basically it's a medic pouch. I've attached a kit marker, so if you're on a train, bus, the lights go off, you can find your kit. There's the other side of the pouch, and it fits on to the pouch like so, with the Velcro, and then you attach it so it's secure. So I'm just going to pause the video and I'll show you the contents. So guys, back to the video again. So if you go onto Onetigris and click on medic pouch, this should come up. So obviously you can see it's attached to the backpack using Velcro and a secure strap. As you can see, kit marker. If you're in a dark area, it's not very bright, you can identify your kit. Also, you can undo the pouch like that, so it's very secure. On the top, it's red for medical. Yeah, so obviously it was designed to carry a medical kit. I've adapted it to an anti-COVID-19 kit for the EDC. If you're on a bus, train, you need to sanitize yourself, you can just rip it off and away you go. So you can stick it back on, and I'm going to show you the contents of the kit itself. It's all common sense related. It's not expensive. It can be sourced anywhere. So you can undo it like that. It's got another Velcro top, so it's even more secure. So the contents, if you're travelling on trains, buses, public transport, anywhere really, undergrounds, you need to look at your hygiene. Basically, sanitizing your hands. If you're sneezing, coughing into tissues. So basic tissues there. We have hand sanitizer gel, and one of the reasons that I've adapted this to an anti-COVID-19 EDC pouch is it fits a mask, SP2 rated. Not the best, it's not the worst. It'll stop you from getting it, I think. It'll give you the fighting chance anyway. So there you go there. Put that to one side. Got some latex gloves. And there, you can see on the camera, we have some sterile wound cleaning wipes. I can use these to sanitize my hands if I run out of sanitizer. This is the backup to the hand gel. So that's it, guys. The anti-COVID-19 EDC pouch, but was originally a medic pouch made by Onetigris UK. Check out the website, guys. If you've got one of these backpacks or you've got a backpack with Molly, check out the colours and put one to your backpack. Easy, affordable, well made, built to last. And if you're on a public transport, as I said, you can just rip the pouch off, or you can leave it like that and put the pouch in your bag, whatever you want to do. So thanks for sticking with the channel. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you all soon with another video. Bye now, bye.